Kung gusto mo makapasok sa Philippine National Police Academy, kailangan mong ipasa ang 5 exams na sasabihin ko. Before we start, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel is please consider subscribing para updated ka lagi sa mga videos natin. The first exam is Cadet Admission Test or the PNP ACAT. Sa PNP ACAT, kailangan mo mag-apply online or through walk-in para makapag-exam ka sa PNP ACAT. Pero before ka mag-exam, kailangan mo munang malaman kung qualified ka pa na mag-take ng PNP ACAT. So kung gusto mo malaman yan, meron akong ginawang video about doon. So just click this. So PNP ACAT is an entrance exam wherein iti-test yung inyong general knowledge about doon sa mga subjects from your foundation bilang isang estudyante. So from math, science, English, meron din general knowledge, and of course, current events. So, kailangan mong ipasa yan dahil napakarami nyo magtitake yan. So, per year, parang may estimate na almost 25 to 35,000 applicants na nag-e-exam ng PNP ACAT. So, second exam will be the neuropsychiatric exam. So, ang neuropsychiatric exam is an exam, iti-test ang inyong mental stability, adaptability, and also your behavior. So, kung sa PNP ACAT, mahaba na yung exam na yon, mas mahaba itong neuropsychiatric exam. And then, after itong exam na to, so meron din siyang interview na ikakandak ng isang psychologist or ng isang psychiatrist. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano pumasa sa neuropsychiatric exam, ito naman yung link na ginawa kong video about doon. So the third exam will be the physical agility test. So a physical agility test is an exam na iti-test ang inyong physical strength and of course your agility. So meron kayong series of exercises na kailangan nyong gawin doon na may time limit at kailangan nyong ibigay ang inyong best. Exercises na yon is composed of push-ups, sit-ups, pull-ups, and then 3-kilometer run and the 100-meter dash. So meron yung mga time limits kung saan kailangan nyo talagang i-pour ang inyong efforts at inyong best efforts para maging mataas ang score nyo kaysa sa ibang mga applicants. And of course, para makasama ang inyong mga pangalan sa susunod na exam. At ang susunod na exam na yon, which is the fourth exam, will be the medical exam. So sa PNP ACAT, iti-test ang inyong knowledge, and then sa neuropsychiatric exam is inyong mental stability and inyong behavior. And sa physical agility test naman is yung physical strength ninyo. So sa medical exam, titignan naman ng medical practitioners yung health ninyo. So kailangan hindi lang physically fit, kung hindi kailangan healthy din within. Meron mga grounds for disqualification doon. Wherein, pag nakita yon ng medical practitioners, pwede kayong i-disqualify sa exam. And hindi na kayo magpo-proceed sa last exam. So ang iba doon is yung pagkakaroon ng tattoo. So kahit sa ang part ng katawan nyo na may tattoo, pag nakita ng medical practitioner yon, so grounds yun for disqualification. Isa pa yung pagiging colorblind. And also, yung meron kang sa lalaki, meron kang luslos. Meron pa yung wala na yung inyong front teeth. So pag napasa nyo yung medical exam and you're proven healthy talaga, then magpo-proceed na kayo sa final test, which is the panel interview. So sa panel interview, iti-test naman ang inyong communication skills, your critical thinking, the way you answer, and the way you compose yourself. So may mga panel dyan. It is composed by a panel of officers and men of the Philippine National Police. Iba is yung officers and staff ng Philippine National Police Academy. So mayroon silang mga questions sa inyo, whether personal or regarding sa mga current issues and events. So titignan nila kung gaano kayo kabilis mag-isip, kung gaano kayo fluent makipag-communicate, and also kung talagang worthy ba kayo na makapasok sa PNPA. So meron din akong ginawang video about sa panel interview at kung paano kayo makapasa. Meron akong 10 tips para makapasa kayo sa panel interview at ilalagay ko rin dito sa taas. So yun ang 5 exams para makapasok kayo sa PNPA at maging isang kadete. So as a summary, meron tayong PNP ACAT or the Cadet Admission Test, and then meron tayong neuropsychiatric exam, and then meron tayong physical agility test, and then yung medical exam, and then the panel interview. So pag napasa niyo yun, you will become a part of the final list na magte-take oath during the Labor Day or May 1 of every year. So lahangad ka na maging isang kadete. Good luck sa inyo. Mag-aral kayo mabuti and mag-exercise, mag-prepare na kayo as soon as possible. And hanggat qualified kayo, lagi lang kayo mag-exam. So good luck and always stay inspired and never ever give up on your dreams. So see you in the field, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.